time on the
B, me can't drive with the lights in, you know that.
I know, B.
Guys,
Oh, no, you want to start following rules.
Then me not
Guys,
lights now, but it's not
B.
easy. Me have the lights now.
You have your
Guys,
license?
So me
Why,
have to
yeah.
drive
you
picture.
guys should subscribe to your TV.
New York State driver's license!
I fool for.
That's
Me drive like a license holder now.
Yeah, like drive
Yeah.
with sense. Guys, he was on the way from picking up my grandmother. I'm like, he said somebody was trying to race with him. And the boy just floored it. I guess
And
what?
he was going like 200 miles an hour
No, he
while
wasn't.
doing a cop. Almost hit his rear end
No, like the
and
cop.
almost got pulled over.
He didn't almost get pulled over. A police car like came in before him to like turn over here or whatever.
was going-
and I was
he
like,
was going into
he was
that.
lucky that the police officer didn't like turn around and like pull him over.
He was
more turn over.
the cop was turning around.
Damn it! I was one day off. I said yesterday you was gonna get your license in the mail. We roll up the window. It is cold. Anyways, guys, what's today? The 19th or so?
So Dad,
We're on our way to the grocery store,
Right.
and then we're gonna head to the mall because our grandmother's still not done
Show
buying
that, man.
Christmas presents.
Dad, that's the stuff.
Samora bomb. That's nice. See, before they.
You died. And then I come check me with you later.
Yeah, stop. Forget illegal documents. Them in order.
Daddy, you know if Daddy give me $100
Put that extension money as
for
soon
the
as I
week,
can.
Let me
my
extend
dad
some.
give me
No,
$100
they're really
for
extend
the
that, what they
week.
call it.
What?
More time something
You know
like
if my dad make me
Enhance?
call his
Yeah.
money and
You can't get an enhanced
yeah.
treatment.
No,
Citizen.
not enhance, not enhance.
We have a long way to go.
What they call it license?
CDL?
Yeah, oh, CDL.
Y'all gonna do that?
I mean, if now I go to. I go do CDL test.
So y'all leave me and we kind of go look for the road?
Do me, I forget what
I left it with Samari?
Me not understand, I forget.
I left it with Samari? B, I leave it with Samari?
Yeah, but maybe I'll like.
Samari don't listen to me.
But if I have a CDL license and I work, maybe I can't stop work.
That depends on
I'm telling you. You get it? Yeah, they.
I need to have some type of life. Like,
If I go there and make the right books.
no. Alright guys, what is up? I haven't really like sat down and like really talked to you guys in a little bit. It's a lot that has happened. Not really like say a lot happened or whatever, but I'm gonna just like catch you guys up or whatever. So brand new day. I just left my little part-time job. I just left the hotel. I'm on my way home now to go grab my grandmother bag and stuff, and I'm gonna go pick her up from work because she needs to head back on the road and whatnot. I need to go to Dollar Tree because tomorrow's somebody's last day of school and they're doing like a little Christmas party or whatever. It's not mandatory for them to bring anything in, but I'm gonna see if I can find something that that he can bring to his class, like make like little treat bags or whatever. So I'm gonna see if they can I'm gonna see if I can find something there. So I'm on my way home now, and Monday, which was the 18th, was like my last day of work at like my full-time job. So like no more work for me until all the way until next year, because like I do like 12-hour shifts, and then like we like shut down twice a year. So like one at night summer and then one be a Christmas. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't have to go back to like my main job until like way out next year, like the 6th or 7th. I think I 6th when I go back or whatever. So we have like a nice little 2 weeks from them. But I'm gonna pick up at my part-time job, so I can still have like a little money I come in, because they at my full-time job, they don't pay you for shutdown. You have to use like your PTO. I'm the PTO like a lot. Even when I didn't have PTO, I never put in for the shutdown. I just like went unpaid because I don't think I should have to use my time to be off when I didn't ask to be off. I don't know if I'm gonna get me ass. Like if we're not shut down, we can't pay when the workers, or at least pay them for like one outside 2 shutdown we're gonna do for the year. But yeah, so I only have like 11 hours left for the year, so I that meant just I go put in for when I week them with the holiday pay to like kind of make me up or whatever, and then work my part-time job a couple of days for just let me have something my coming, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, guess what? Yesterday we had went to like the mall. I think I had said it, like my grandmother went to like get like some last minute stuff, and then we had ended up going to Sam's Club, and I found like some Christmas pajamas for us or whatever, like super cheap, like $6. I'm like, I ran on that. And then is he really like outside? B lost his damn AirPods in Sam's Club. So yesterday we went back there, and it wasn't there. Well, it was there because we saw it on like Find My iPhone. It was there, but like we went in the store, we retraced the step. Mind you, the store had closed, but they still let us in, and we was looking, and we couldn't find it. So like he left out like his information and stuff, and we like described it, what was on it or whatever.
What?
What? They call it and you go feed though.
And they bother me every minute.
Who bother you? B, you really not coming with me?
No.
Why? Come now. You B?
Huh?
B, you don't want to come spend time with your wife? I road. He might deal with some family business. But yeah, they called him and they found his AirPods, so he went and got them today.
Right.
B, yeah, you're not home. Huh? Why?
I've got time for that.
So we have time for if you don't got your popcorn.
Mikayla go to the work 7 days a week.
Is that 7 days a week?
Well, I go yesterday, day before, and the day before that. Yeah, I only got
Oh God. I'm not like ready, right? Say it go yesterday and then if we go back I go today.
Yeah.
Guess who ended up coming on the road with us?
Let me hide my face. I don't want nobody to see.
You don't want nobody to see.
Why?
On our way to Walmart. And the big granny there in front. She I tell me if you come
People
out.
call me this morning early, granny.
B, I'm talking. She tell me if you come out, I'm if you go around that front. I said no, I'm okay with being in the back. Like I'm not like that type of person. Like me and my husband not for driving that in front together. So yeah, we're on our way to Walmart now. I want to know something messed up.
Yeah?
Ever since B came up here, my mom don't mess with me no more. She don't care about me anymore. Cause she cooks stew peas and she only send stew peas for him.
May I see your money from
So about her daughter. Like I don't like that at all. B, why you come between me and Lala? Huh? Hello?
Yeah, see there?
Oh, you come between. What? Bother with what?
Mommy, can I say hi?
You good?
Hello.
Shanky food when my mom said that she don't send the food for me.
Hello.
So yeah, me I gonna make my salad, guys. Make Shanky go out with his stew peas.
Hello.
Go do your homework, Samari.
Fine.
What's up, guys? I don't know what to get myself in now, because now I gotta stay up and put all these bags together. I'm tired. I'm sick. My nose is bothering me. I do not feel good. But I started to my shrimp right now for my salad. I'm gonna just show you guys the stuff that I got from
Mommy.
the store.
Mommy.
What?
Do you need help?
No, I don't need help, Samari. Do your work.
Yeah, Mama,
Because you try to stay up. I bet you
No.
Anyways, guys, so we got Dollar Tree and I went to Walmart. So I got like these pencils and then sharpeners to go in the bag with like some candy. We get like this big pack of like Skittles Starburst stuff. Candy canes and then Kit Kat or Reese's. So I'm gonna do like one of these, one candy cane. I'm probably like I scanned for this year like two with one pencil, one sharpener. Sure. They look yummy.
Mix.
So I'm gonna
Mr.
try to
Starburst.
get those together now. Probably. I'm gonna go finish my food first, then eat, then help make Beacon help me. I will get these done. And I'm currently helping Samari right now with his homework.
No, I don't need help.
You don't need help?
No.
So everything gonna be right when I
just
check
need
it?
you to check it.
So all of them gonna be right?
I don't know.
So you need help then? What's up, people? Boy, full of chat.
Hey!
Stop.
Hey! Is it 4?
Alright, so I finished the Caesar salad.
4, or you get 5.
Romaine, Parmesan
You get 5.
cheese,
I got 5.
Caesar dressing, shrimp,
Yes.
and some croutons.
Cold,
I'm gonna
let me
eat
eat
this
it.
Those are
now.
the 1.
I'm B's
Oh.
helping Samari with his
Hello!
work.
Subscribe! 29.
So here's our little setup. I have the Kit Kats, Reese's, the sharpeners, candy canes, pencils, the treat bags. And then this was like the pack with like Starburst and some Skittles. So I'm just gonna put two from over
This one
here,
for
one,
someone.
and then one
5
from
plus
Mayessa.
5 plus 5.
This is how the little
5
bag
plus 5 is
looks.
10.
So they're at 1 this
I don't know how it's gonna look with like the pencil. So if anything, I might just have to like drape it up and then wrap a piece of this around it. So yeah. If it's slanted, you can't zip up like this and I'm gonna have to better with this.
No.
Oh, so borrow one.
I wasn't even thinking it's slant.
Wham.
So it fit perfect just like this.
Write the 6 properly. Are 2 alright?
No.
Get some money with this. See what this can do.
I don't know.
I not even realize people say a damn pencil could have slapped. I think we have to tell
Right,
them. So that's why I'm gonna buy
over.
this for Tyrone. But
Yeah.
see, look back there.
So 3,
Then get
10 minus 3.
So yeah, I'm about to just bops through all of these now and
3.
then wash up your dishes them
3,
and then I'm in bed.
4.
21 treat bags later. And Samari's still doing his homework. Is Samari?
About to be in a minute.
B, you good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Did I show guys my homework?
No, because you color badly.
No, I guess.
Yes, you do. That don't look good to go all over YouTube.
Oh. Hello, guys. Today is pajamas day, and I want to show you guys my pajamas. I'm one of the superheroes.
Who are you?
Spider-Man!
Oh, okay. Well, Samari was about to leave for school and he wanted to show you guys his pajamas for pajama day. You look nice. Alright, go put on and drink off your tea.
Hey.
Alright guys, good morning. You know, I am looking crusty, do not mind it. I just dropped Samari off at school. And then, go on, Kiara, just go. And then, I just went to Tim Hortons because we left out, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna get him something. I got something for myself too, so I could just eat, go in and like take a couple pills. I'm gonna sleep because like all last night my head has been pounding me. I'm gonna take some NyQuil. I took some NyQuil, but I didn't want to mix the NyQuil with the ibuprofen or whatever, so I was waiting until like the NyQuil like was on my system so that I could take 2 ibuprofen, like Aleve, to make my head feel better or whatever. So yeah, I got from Tim Hortons, and I just discovered that I didn't even know like Tim Hortons did like a rewards program where you could get like points and stuff, because like at work I literally go to Tim Hortons like every day to go grab my lunch. Like I get like a turkey bacon club all the time. So I'm like, I could have been racking up points, and like I did not know that. So I finally downloaded the app, and then I just grabbed some stuff for me and B. And like, guys, something about me is like, I do have a spending problem. I like spend money, but like I'm like a sucker for like these like reward program or like point based like stuff. Like, and I feel like if there's like an offer out there, like I have to activate it, even when I don't need the stuff, just so I can get extra points. Because like with Tim Hortons, I guess it was giving away like 500 bonus points if you like ordered like a Christmas tree donut, a breakfast sandwich, and like a holiday drink or whatever. I ordered a damn Christmas tree donut, not even knowing, like, I don't even eat like donuts or whatever, like those stuff. Where police there? Oh shit. I'm gonna go over. Oh. It's not an emergency because he just. Sorry guys, I saw a damn ambulance, but like, it wasn't an emergency, obviously, because he took the damn lights off or whatever. So yeah, like I was saying, like, you had to order a holiday drink, a breakfast sandwich, and Christmas tree donut, and you got an extra 500 points. So that's what I did. I ordered like a freaking peppermint hot chocolate. Like, I do regular hot chocolate. I don't do like peppermint or whatever. But so yeah, I'm a sucker for points. Like in Ulta, don't even get me started on Ulta. Like, they'll be like, you get 5 times if you like buy fragrances, or 10 times. And like, I feel like I have to buy those stuff just so I could get rewards. Like, I have a problem. You not say hi?
I do.
The vlog.
Yeah, leave it there. Don't get cold.
That's nothing.
Oh, very nice. Hmm? Me ask you a question.
Huh?
Oh, why not?
It was a Christmas tree donut. If I ordered it, I got 500 extra bonus points.
Oh.
You want it?
No.
You're not telling people that said me,
Sure.
me like spend money unnecessarily.
Yeah. You like.
Dude, stop it. Yeah. Alright, hey guys. Brand new day. I just came in from paying a bill, and then my mom, I was gonna go in and go cook because this morning I woke up, cut up my season some stewed chicken for cook. So I was gonna go in and do that because my grandmother wants to go grocery shopping later. So but anyway, I've dinner ready and stuff before she come. As we pull up, my mom called me and was like, if we want to follow her guy Miles, so she can go get some last minute Christmas presents, or whatever. So I'm just say I'll follow her, because like, you know, if I say, oh no, that shit, I can say, oh, you know, I spend the time with me, and oh yeah, I use her, right. So I'm gonna go with her and something to say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys. Today I'm not going to school until January, so that's gonna be fun for me.
Why?
Because I'm staying up all night.
No, you're not. You gonna act like you just in school. You better know all your times table by time January body come.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I'm gonna take the phone away.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Can I get my own YouTube channel, Mommy?
Why do you want your own YouTube channel?
Because I've been video.
You're too young for a YouTube channel.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I have like a bunch of videos out all about myself already.
Who gonna manage your YouTube account?
Hmm?
Who gonna manage your YouTube account?
Me. I'm just finna like video. Then I send the video to you. Then you upload it on my video on my channel.
Let me get my YouTube off and popping first before we think about you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. As for like these kids nowadays, they just want everything. Like YouTube channels, like back in my day, I keep saying back in my day, like I'm old as hell, like I'm only 24, but like when I was like their age, this wasn't like kids doing YouTube and stuff
Bobby,
like that.
Bobby, look.
It's just crazy to see like
how
times have changed.
This is what
Hey guys, so I'm gonna just leave work. A couple hours now. I'm running at TJ Maxx because I want to find one sheet set for the Christmas last minute. 2 days before Christmas, I bet them not gonna find nothing. B, y'all say hi? Tomorrow. Guys, I really feel like store not carry like Gucci set again. But like all of these is just like so plain. Like, Mikayla, when you go to Burlington one day, no sheets at Walmart, no sheets at, like, I don't know where else to go. I'm gonna like for my sheets online because, like, I want to be able to, like, feel the material and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do. B ain't no help. He just on the damn phone. And what I say would look decent or nice, he don't like it. So, I don't know. Guess I'm just gonna go out and look at some kids' clothes and stuff until my mom come back. She dropped us off to and then left to go give somebody a ride home real quick. Because I didn't feel like driving, so we all just came out together. So, yeah. Be like this. I don't know. I really don't like it and stuff. B, she said this look dirty. B, look. Didn't she say it look dirty?
What?
This is, I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. And for the damn price, only 5 pieces. You don't even get no damn flat sheet for go with it. Just because it looks better than the rest of me, so for Seco feet. Can I go check somewhere else? Alright, let's try this again. I'm in Marshall's right now. Samari, you cannot sit in there. Samari. Why this boy don't listen? Your foot them are gonna stay just like that and you're not gonna grow. I didn't have any look at TJ Maxx, so in Marshall's house, hopefully they have good sheet sets. Can I say hi to you, Block?
Hi guys.
What's wrong with you?
I'm tired.
You tired?
I stayed up until 5 o'clock yesterday.
You been in the morning this morning?
Yes.
In here, I have so much more option, guys. Like,
This look better.
that? B, you just want it because I king. I swear, it better we have a queen, but B want by freaking king size sheet.
Because it cover it properly.
It cover it properly?
Yeah.
But then a pillowcase them, I got 2 big pan of them pillow them. Yes? I like that color though. I mean, that's $80 and you get everything in this. And then this is what? This is like gray. What we had to do with more something to comforter. I mean sheet. I mean blanket. Yeah, I really like this.
I like it, yeah. King better.
A king better.
Cover better. But I guess, alright, buy this.
Alright, thank you. You mean you buy it? Yo, B, you know, you want to show you people that you look at man bag. Look for me, look at man purse. Heavy. It's nice.
Yeah.
B, so you not feeling no weird wearing a purse? No? Alright, I'm getting this. Guys, I do want a new blanket for cover up with, because I don't cover up with comforter. I did love this, but I was like, yo, $50 for one piece of blanket, but it just gets something good and done or something where you really like. So this nice Vero in gray, and you know gray is neutral. I go with everything. So yeah. Ma, you want to say hi to my vlog? No. Guys, look at my young mother. Will look young on me. She nice though. Guys, comment down below how old you think my mother is.
What brother? Whose brother?
I said mother, not brother.
Oh, I know her age.
How old is she?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Ah!
No, stop, no.
Ah!